Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review a coffee called Cream Caramel from the company called Rage. So this company produces coffees in many flavors. So they have cream caramel, Irish hazelnut, sparky orange, butterscotch. Then they have something in mint, and I think they have one more or two flavors. So I have originally tried their Irish hazelnut flavor and I have reviewed it on my other channel, which I'll link it down below. So today this time I bought their cream caramel coffee. So this is what it looks like. I hope you could see. Yeah. So this is how the bottle looks like. It came in a glass like container and it's a 100-gram product for only 549 rupees, and they had packed it really well. Like their packaging was appreciated, but I have thrown away the packaging. I don't have it right now. So talking about this coffee, so I received it like 2 days back, and today I'm finally gonna try them out and review it for you. So I got this coffee from Steps at Go. Like now they should officially declare me as the brand ambassador or something, because मैंने उनके बारे में बहुत सारे वीडियोस में बात कर चुकी है. So basically, and trust me guys, it's not a sponsored video. I talk about them because I appreciate the app and I really like the concept, and that app has really helped me. So basically this Steps at Go app, so basically you have to walk and they count your steps and reward you points accordingly. So this time they had this coffee for free. I mean, you don't have to pay money, but you have to pay points, pay in points. So this I got for like 3000 points. So basically I didn't have to pay anything, but फिर भी ये मेरे hard earned points से है, because I had to walk so much to collect 3000 points. So if you haven't tried out this app till now, and if you want to, then I'm gonna definitely link it down below. So without wasting time, let's try the coffee now. So this time I have thought of doing it in a different way. So I have made this coffee in 3 ways. Like this is the black coffee, this is the hot coffee, and this is the cold coffee. So what I had thought was that I will try this coffee in all the 3 ways and give you my honest opinion on it, because some people prefer black coffee, some people prefer cold, and some prefer hot. So you can decide as per your liking if you want to purchase this coffee or not. And I would like to mention it again, it's not a sponsored video. So first let me tell you if this smells like caramel or no. Wait. So basically let me talk about this. The granules are pretty large. Like I'll just show you some of the granules. Like I hope you could see the granules. They are pretty large, they are not like the ones you find in like Nescafe, and वो सब के granules काफ़ी छोटे होते हैं, but this is काफ़ी big. Yeah, it does have a sweet smell and it kind of smells like caramel. So smell तो है. I like the smell though. I really like the smell. Okay, I have put this back. Now I'm gonna try this one by one. Okay, so first I'm gonna try this with the black coffee. But I don't like black coffee honestly, but I'm reviewing it for you guys. So let me try this one first. It kinda smells like caramel. It has a sweet fragrance. It's bitter. I mean, I know that's how the black coffee is supposed to be. बट मुझे ऐसा कुछ कैरमल जैसा इसमें तो आई डोंट थिंक मुझे फ्लेवर आया. लाइक okay, it doesn't leave a bitter taste, so that's a good thing, but otherwise I would not say कि एकदम caramel जैसा taste आया या कुछ. Now let me try the hot coffee and let me tell you how it tastes like. Nice, I like this. So talking about this hot coffee, yeah, it's like good enough. Okay, but पता नहीं मुझे इतना कुछ. It's good as a coffee, but I don't know. So hot coffee तो मतलब ओकेश लगा. लाइक आई वोंट से कि बहुत डिफरेंस था नॉर्मल कॉफ़ी एंड हॉट कॉफ़ी में. मतलब नॉर्मल कॉफ़ी एंड इनकी कैरमल कॉफ़ी में. नाउ लेट मी ट्राई द कोल्ड वन एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई द कोल्ड वन बिकॉज मुझे कोल्ड कॉफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस कोल्ड कॉफ़ी टेस्ट. स्मेल अच्छी है. It has a sweet fragrance, you know. कोल्ड कॉफ़ी अच्छी है. Cold coffee is nice, but let me be very honest with you guys. So out of all the in all the forms that I tried this coffee in, I like the cold coffee the most. But if I be super honest with you guys, then I feel that this bottle, I mean it's like 100 grams bottle, but then 549 is too pricey. I mean मुझे इतना वर्थ नहीं लगा. लाइक इट इज़ गुड, आई मीन इट इज़ अ लिटिल डिफरेंट, बट देन 549 इज़ समथिंग. आई फील इट्स टू मच एंड मुझे फ्लेवर में इतना डिफरेंस नहीं लगा. इट जस्ट स्मेल्स लाइक कैरमल, बट एकदम कैरमल का टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा. इट जस्ट हैव अ स्वीट स्मेल. So I don't think that it is worth spending so much money on. Like it's good, like for a change, if you're someone who drinks coffee every day, and for a change if you want to try some different flavor of coffee, then maybe you can think of giving this a try. But ठीक लगा मुझे. Like I be very honest with you guys. So even after this, if you feel like you want to try out this flavor or any of the other flavor, then I'll link down my code below. You can get a 10% off on your order by using my code. So yeah guys, that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, then do share it with your friends. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, thank you. Bye.